Hey everybody, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you the Lost Without You stamp and die set. As you can see here on the screen, there is a large and very detailed stamp that is a compass. There's lots of greetings to go along with the compass, so you have I'd be lost without you, follow your heart, it always knows the way. There are also several little stars in different shapes and sizes, and those would be perfect to create your own background to go along with your compass. So in that coordinating die set, there are dies to both cut out the stamped image of the compass and one of the large greetings. But then there are dies in that set for you to build your own compass. So I'm going to show you how all of this works together. So I have just stamped and cut out on just plain white paper the compass and the follow your heart, it always knows the way greeting there right below that. But then I wanted to give you a look at the other dies. So the large circle that has the four little knobs sticking out, that's for the north, south, east, and west, so that cuts out the whole stamped image. But then you can use the other pieces to build up all those other little intricate parts of the compass. There's also little spinners that would point the direction. There's an arrow, and then there's also one that is shaped like a diamond. So I'm going to show you what these look like when they're all cut out. So you can use these just as basic paper piecing dies, as you can see here. I would probably stamp your directions or that compass on that back part there, but I just cut these out in just some scrap paper that I had left over just to give you a look at what these look like. Now you can also use as many of these little pieces, or you could make it as intricate as you'd like and use every piece available and really build that out. Now those little spinners actually have holes cut out of them, so you can actually attach those to brads and actually make those spin. So to add more and more detail to your compass, you can just take whatever color of paper that you would like, and I've gotten some paper, I put that stamp right down into my MISTI and I stamped it 3 times. Now I'm going to take those coordinating dies that are used to cut out all the different parts of the compass. I'm going to get those attached to those pieces of paper that I stamped onto, and as you can see, it's going to cut out each little individual part of the compass. Now you only need that one stamp to make the compass, but then each individual die is going to cut out the different pieces, and that's what's going to make it look so interesting and so intricate. So I'm going to build this up. Some of it I have cut in just scrap paper, like I said, so it's green and pink paper. Then I use some gold for that little 4-point piece there in the center. I'm getting everything lined up, and then you can use whatever kind of hole punch you like to make your little hole. You could also use a heavy-duty needle or a poker tool, and then now all you have to do is put your little hole in, add your brad and your spinner, whichever one you choose. There are 2 again in that set, and you have it made. So here's a look at just the stamped die and then the built one with all of those pieces. Here is Emily's take on the Lost Without You stamp and die set, and I love how she paired that with the galaxy background. Thanks for joining me, and the Lost Without You stamps and dies are available right now at honeybeestamps.com.